Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from chapter 16 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. Section 87 we are going to deal with today, and the title here is Procedure for Dealing with Applications under sections 84 and 85. Fine. So, and I will deal all or I will explain all the subsections through my key points. Okay. So, let us proceed. Subsection 1. Where the controller is satisfied upon consideration of an application under section 84 or section 85 that a prima facie case has been made out for the making of an order, he shall direct the applicant to serve copies of the application upon the patentee and any other person appearing from the register to be interested in the patent in respect of which the application is made, and shall publish the application in the official journal. So, please read the section carefully with taking care of the punctuation marks and the underlined words. Okay. So, in short, the explanation for this subsection is actually we shall read from here, right? This is given only for knowledge. The explanation starts from here. He means the controller. The controller shall direct the applicant to serve copies of application in support to patentee if prima facie case is made, and also shall publish the application in the official journal. Okay. But this thing I have given just for a knowledge. So please take a look here as well. If the controller is satisfied that a prima facie case has not been made out, then he shall notify the applicant accordingly. Unless the applicant requests to be heard within 1 month from such notification, controller shall refuse the application. Upon hearing, the controller shall determine whether to proceed with the application or refuse it. Fine. Next, we will go to subsection 2. The patentee or any other person desiring to oppose the application may, within such time as may be prescribed or within such further time as the controller may, on application made either before or after the expiration of the prescribed time, give to the controller notice. Okay. So, follow the same trend, and the simple explanation here is the patentee may give notice of opposition against the application in form 14 by submitting an online fee of 12,000 rupees, Indian rupees, and this is for the legal entities and corporates within 1 month from the date of such notice. Fine? Okay. Let us proceed towards subsection 3. Any such notice of opposition shall contain a statement setting out the grounds on which the application is opposed. Okay. So, the explanation is the notice of opposition shall contain the statement setting out the grounds on which the application is opposed. Okay. The patentee shall also serve the copies of the notice of opposition to the applicant and shall inform the controller the date on which the service has been effected. Fine. Next. Subsection 4 is where any such notice of opposition is duly given, the controller shall notify the applicant and shall give to the applicant and the opponent an opportunity to be heard before deciding the case. Okay. And the simple meaning is, just read this one first. The controller shall fix the date and time for hearing and shall give parties not less than 10 days notice of such hearing. And the second thing is that in accordance with Rule 62 Sub Rule 2, the party desirous of being heard shall notify the controller by submitting an online fee of 7,500 Indian rupees, and this is for legal entities and corporates. Fine. So this way, friends, all the subsections of section 87 are completed. So please go through my video. Please go through the BEAR Act as well. Please leave your compliments or comments in my comment box. If you have any queries, please write down there. So please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so that you will be notified first whenever I upload something. Okay, so thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.